In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some pieces that Quince sent over. I am so excited to be partnering with them. I hope that you guys will enjoy. Quince is basically a brand redefining luxury. They are providing like really great quality product at affordable prices so that everyone can access them. All of their products are made from cashmere, silk, organic cotton, which means your pieces will last a lot longer. I'm really happy to be showing you guys pieces that I think you're going to love. Of course, I'm going to link everything down in the description box. So if you are interested in any of the pieces that I'm going to show you today or in Quince in general, then go ahead and check out that description box. They also have home goods and wellness products, so there is definitely something for all of us. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Let's jump into it. I can't tell you guys how excited I am. Should I just like... Okay, where do we begin? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this. The first piece I chose is a matching set. I am so excited. I'm kind of obsessed with matching sets right now for the summer. I think they're just like the perfect, most easiest way to style an outfit. The first piece is this really cute white linen strapless top. I love this material. It is literally so lightweight and just beautiful for the summer. I cannot wait to style it this season. And then the back has a little bit of like this ruching, like cinchy material. I always forget what it's called, but I got this in a size extra small. Oof, that's gonna be really pretty. This material is very light, very airy, perfect for the warmer weather. Okay, and then along with that little top, I got the matching bottoms. These are both 100% European linen, so they are made to last. This material is so nice. This feels a little bit thicker. It feels like maybe, yeah, it's like double lined, which is great because sometimes linen, especially white, it can be see-through, but I really appreciate when linen pants aren't. I love that they're pleated, so it gives you a little bit more of an elevated look than just like regular linen pants. They do have 2 front pockets and then 1 back pocket there. Oh my God, I cannot wait to style these. Oh, and then I also picked these up in a size 4. Okay, this next top I feel like you can never have too many of. It's a white tee. I picked this up in a size small, but it already feels like very comfortable. It's made with 100% cotton, and it's just like your average basic white tee, but like I said, you can never have too many of these. I feel like I honestly wear every single one of my white t-shirts because again, they're a staple. They are something that you can dress up or you can dress down, just kind of depending on the vibe and what you're looking for. I can always add to my white t-shirt collection. Okay, this next one is this really pretty pale blue button up. The relaxed fit is something that I always look for because I think these are really classic. I love a good button up. I feel like you could never go wrong with a button up. I have so many. I was missing one in this like really pretty blue color for the summer, and so I had to pick this one up. This is also 100% organic cotton. It's super soft, very relaxed. It has a little pocket up front, and I picked this up in a size small. This next one is a rib knit halter top. You can't ever really go wrong with like a black top. I feel like this crisscross is so different for me. I don't own anything like this, so I'm excited to try this on and see how it fits. I feel like this would be a really great top for dinner or some kind of like fun night out with the girls. It feels really thick and it has like a little bit of compression to it, which is always really nice. And then I did pick this up in a size extra small. Okay, and this last piece I've been eyeing since last fall. So it's not very summery, but because I've been wanting it for so long, I had to grab it. Is this really beautiful boxy cardigan in black. This is actually called the Mongolian Cashmere boxy cropped cardigan sweater. It is honestly so cozy. I am obsessed. I cannot wait to wear this. I know it might be a little bit early in the year as we are still in dead summer, but come the fall, I will be wearing this non-stop. But also like, even though it is summer, I feel like at night it gets kind of chilly, and I love to carry a cardigan with me so that way I can throw it on if I'm getting like a little bit cold. I'm excited to wear this. I'm not gonna lie. It might be a little too warm right now, but in the coming months, you better believe I'm gonna be wearing this. And then I did pick this up in a size medium because I wanted it to be a little bit like oversized, very relaxed, and it is a little bit boxy. So it's kind of like the vibe that I was going for, but you can definitely get one that's like true to your size. That's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna link all of the products down below if you're interested. Go ahead and check out that description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. And I will see you here next time. Bye.